ice cream treat shall we try this week?
You know what I want? I want a flurry.
A flurry? What's a flurry?
You know, it's where they put candy in with the ice cream and they blend it all together.
Oh, you mean a blizzard.
No, I mean a flurry. The little ice cream shop down the street calls them flurries.
Well, Dairy Queen calls them blizzards, and I think Dairy Queen outranks your ice cream man.
Fine, it's a blizzard. I want a blizzard with Butterfingers.
No.
Yes.
No. You will not have a blizzard with Butterfingers. You will have Oreos.
I don't want Oreos. I don't even like Oreos. I want Butterfingers.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
I want Butterfingers.
Then go get your own. I'm not going to eat a blizzard or a flurry with somebody who doesn't want Oreos.
That's a flurry.
Blizzard.
John, do you know why Dairy Queen, in her infinite wisdom, offers the choice of toppings? Oreo, Heath Bar, Butterfingers, Reese's Peanut Butter Cups?
No.
Because Dairy Queen knows we are all different. Some people like Butterfingers, some like Oreos. That doesn't make one of us right or wrong. It just means that we are different.
I never thought of it that way.
God made us all different, and He loves us all. And God wants us to learn to love each other in spite of our differences. He wants me to love you, Mr. Oreo, and He wants you to love me.
You're right. Sorry I'm so hard on you. I'll go get you a Butterfingers blizzard.
Nah, make it a Heath Bar.
What? You want a Butterfinger?
What? I can't change my mind?